Hi all, I am Mahi and welcome to my channel again. In this channel you will get step-by-step guide of Android applications with example. इस चैनल में आपको बहुत सारे एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशंस के प्रोजेक्ट्स और उसके कोड रिलेटेड ऑल द थिंग्स यू विल गेट. आप अगर अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इसके पास में जो बेल आइकॉन है उसे प्रेस कीजिए कि जब भी कोई नेक्स्ट वीडियो आए वो आपको तुरंत ही देखने मिले. Today I'll teach you how to do model bottom sheet in Android. So I created a project named Model Bottom Sheet Demo. First of all, I'll do linear layout here. Next, I erase the text view and add the orientation as vertical. Now I will add an image in my drawable. Here I am implementing a linear layout. In this image view, I am trying to design a simple page with an image with some text, and I implement image view and text view in the linear layout. And a button. In this button press, the functionality will start. Now I'll create another XML file in layout folder. Designing with simple text views and all. Now creating a Java class named BottomSheetLayout Dialog. And I extend here BottomSheetDialogFragment. and I'm making a toast. Now let's come to main activity Java. Initiate it. Now it's ready. Let's play. I'm using my real device. Yeah, it's running. You can see the result. Once again, if you like my video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.